Hello, this is Our Life B3 back with another camp review. This week we review Sunshine RV Resort, an Encore property in Harlingen, Texas. This gated resort is divided into two. The older large section houses the majority of activities and is home to many long-term guests. The newer smaller lakefront section is open to short-term guests. The main community center is home to a majority of activities in the park's only free Wi-Fi hotspot. Paid Wi-Fi is available throughout, and Antenna TV provides over 20 channels. Cable TV is available in each community center, but not at the sites. The main community center serves as a church, auditorium, banquet center, and a dance hall. A quick service counter serves food throughout the week. There are two adequately equipped gyms, one in each area. The Lakeside shower house is nicely equipped with 3 showers and stalls. 2 laundry rooms are available with newer equipment at a charge of $1.70 per load, but require the purchase of a $3 money card to use them. The main pool is kidney-shaped and well maintained. The pool and hot tub at Lakeside Park don't seem to have the same maintenance level, but are still very usable. Numerous activities include indoor pickleball courts, a card room, music room, billiard hall, as well as a woodworking room for those hobbyists. The view at our campsite was spectacular in the morning and average in the daytime. Some minimal highway traffic could be heard. A quick drive through the park displays the many long-term residents with a few open RV sites scattered throughout. There's not a large rule list and the staff were both friendly and attentive. The resort does charge a $4 per day resort fee for guests staying less than 30 days. As of our stay, the resort charges were $48 per day or $288 for a week. This was for a full hookup site. Within a block of the main gate we find the Lakeside Resort. Although a few long-term residents are present, the grounds are primarily set aside for medium to large RVs and travel trailers. Our site was asphalt, level, and had newer 30 and 50 amp service, sewer, and water, although the pressure on the water was a bit low. There's also grass and concrete sites scattered throughout. Trash and baths are centrally located. Based on our review scale, we would rate Encore Sunshine as a 3.6 out of a possible 5 and would gladly stay here again.